Hi everyone, hope you're all well and keeping out of trouble. For today's Mr. Kinmans Music Challenge, we're going to have some fun with the song Hot Cross Buns as it is Easter time. That includes singing, doing some actions, it includes a clapping game, playing on some instruments and a science experiment. So you can join in with any of those parts that you like, or you can get some of your family members and do multiple parts at once. Okay, let's get ready. Off we go. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. There you have it. Okay, have fun everybody. Take care and I'll see you soon.